How's my Techie Nation? The Honor GT smartphone is set to launch soon, and ahead of its official unveiling, key details about its display, camera, and battery have surfaced online. The company appears to be designing the device with high-end specifications, featuring a premium screen and a large battery for an enhanced user experience. Weibo tipster at Digital Chat Station shared information about the Honor GT's display, camera, and battery. The phone will reportedly come with a 6.7-inch flat LTPS display, featuring ultra-high frequency PWM dimming and offering a 1.5K resolution. The display is said to support PC-level super resolution, which will likely provide a more immersive and realistic viewing experience, especially for gamers. The Honor GT may also pack a large 5,300 mAh battery that supports a 100-watt super-fast charger. These specifications will ensure long-lasting battery life and rapid charging, minimizing interruptions during gaming sessions. Additionally, the Honor GT is expected to feature a premium aerospace-grade body with heat dissipation materials, as well as dual stereo speakers designed for superior sound quality. The camera setup on the back could include a 50MP main sensor with Optical Image Stabilization OIS and a 12MP ultrawide dangle lens. In terms of dimensions, the phone may be 7mm thick and weigh around 196 grams. However, these details are still unofficial and await confirmation at the launch. Honor has also teased the GT's eye-powered eye protection display, similar to the Magic 7 series. This screen is designed with healthy gaming in mind, earning a German Rhein-T UV flicker-free certificate. The AI defocus eye protection feature is said to reduce transient myopia by 13 degrees, and the screen features 3840 Hz ultra-high frequency PWM dimming with 360-degree adaptive dimming. This improves backlight brightness by 20% and helps alleviate eye fatigue by 14%, promoting better sleep. The listing has revealed that the Honor GT will come with 2 RAM and storage configurations, 12GB of RAM paired with either 256GB or 512GB of storage, and 16GB of RAM with options for 512GB or 1TB of storage. This indicates that the device will be performance-oriented, and it's likely to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which would be an upgrade from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 found in last year's Honor 90 GT. Be sure to follow and subscribe to Techie Nation for more videos like this.